35 years executive chef, national and international, pro hints and tips, expert advice.
Hundreds and hundreds of recipes coming your way for your RV. Store product, guys, make it. It's so easy. Hi guys, and welcome back. And in today's episode we're making tzatziki sauce. Now be warned, once you've tried this, it's addictive and you will never go back to buying packaged tzatziki from a store. Packaged tzatziki in a store is full of additives, preservatives. This is all homemade, fresh, and you will love it, and it's so easy.
In Turkey we call cacık. In Greece, tzatziki. This is very natural sauce. You can dip your pita bread inside. So simple recipe. You need fresh dill, mint, cucumber, garlic, salt, and yogurt. That's simple. First step, take your garlic, choose the two biggest cloves, clean very quickly. Then a little bit salt on top and put the side of the knife and crush it and chop very nicely, very small pieces. Take your mint. Oh, I love this fresh mint. Same thing, hold opposite side of the stem and pull. We don't want big stem goes inside your tzatziki. Probably you need a quarter cup fresh dill in your tzatziki or cacık, and fold and chop nicely. After you diced your mint, take your dill and nicely chop. Probably you need quarter cup. Next you need 1 cup cucumber. I'm using English cucumber because the seeds are so small. It doesn't give a lot of juice and makes my tzatziki or cacık runny. After you shred your cucumber, make sure excessive water and drain the juice. Now take your cucumber, put inside the yogurt, dill, mint, garlic, and 1 teaspoon salt, and mix it. Look how it looks nice. Lots of green inside. Oh, I can smell the tzatziki cacık. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful, beautiful. I made this sauce. You can dip your pita bread, and next recipe will be kebab. You can use inside that. This is a beautiful sauce for kebab. Now take your pita bread, put on the grill. You can heat up in your pan or grill top like this. Give couple minutes, we'll be ready to dip inside tzatziki. After a minute or two, take your pita bread and put on top each other. Make small triangles.
Is it
like
tasting
that.
time yet?
Yeah, this is the tasting time right now.
I always come in when it's time for tasting.
Yeah. Would you like to taste too?
Yeah, I always taste. And I know we always say these recipes is my favourite, but this tzatziki sauce as well, if you've got fries,
Oh,
I
yeah.
dip my fries in there as well. It's so good. I'm just gonna scoop it all up.
Can you taste the mint,
Everything. You can taste the mint, the cucumber. It's
dill,
so refreshing.
garlic, yogurt? Oh, so delicious.
And you know, the best thing about this is it's so versatile. You can put it on kebabs, you can put it on anything. It's so refreshing. And dips, even dips at Christmas, you know, dips. We're going to do a hummus as well, aren't we, soon?
Yes.
So all these fresh ingredients, and it's so quick. You saw how quick it was to make. So easy. Don't buy store product, guys. Make it. It's so easy. You'll just be so much more happy with it. And it feels healthy. It tastes healthy. It makes your palate feel healthy. It's just... Now, you see this whole bowl here? Well, again,
Yeah.
I will probably dip away all night at that.
And I'm saving also for kebab too. Watch the next recipe.
If there's going to be any left. You
Yeah.
know what I'm like? You better put that in the fridge quick. Because all of this bread, I can't get enough. But I say it all the time, don't I?
Yeah.
It's so good. And look, you'll notice the difference. Look, it's so...
No preservative, all natural.
You know, and the stuff you buy in the shops, I often say, it tastes gloopy. Gloopy and gooey and gummy and it's just... And you can taste as well in the shops, store product. It tastes acidic. You can't taste any of that in here. It's just pure, fresh and clean. What I call clean food.
Yeah.
It's clean
Clean
food.
and
it
healthy.
tastes clean, it feels clean, and it's healthy. It really is healthy. Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna eat so much.